So I thought I'd do a little ride out with the new map on the bike and see how it fares up to well, the original map, which when you put it on when you get the Power Commander and install it, it's got the factory map. So it's a base map that is the same as what the bike standard one is. Lower down it's definitely smoothed out a bit, and I would say that's more now because the fueling is set up better. Even though it won't be perfect, it's set up better for a bike with a cap removal. Oh god, that road is awful. It's like off-roading around there. I think that's the only bad corner, so yeah, brought it out, have a little test, see how it runs. I'm on my own because Jamie's working away for a while, so he's only back on weekends, and it's supposed to rain this weekend. So I thought I'll bring the bike out on a beautiful day like today and see how it does. Actually feels like it's got way more of a Larry kind of zone up at the top. You know, like when you full throttle open, it actually feels quite a bit more mental than it did. You can feel it wanting to pull the wheel up a lot more than you could before. I genuinely think that's made a big difference. Like I say, bottom end it's smoother. Like I pulled out a few times in first and just kind of rolled on, and it does feel way smoother than it did. And I've also top end, like giving it a bit in third, fourth, and yeah, it feels quite mental now. It never really felt like that before, I don't think. Maybe it did, but yeah, we like. So I think I might head to one of the local bike meet-up places today. I never trust when someone's signalling, because at the end of the day, if you pull out, even if they were signalling, it's actually your fault if you're in a crash. And I don't want that to happen, and I don't trust people. People are the devil. See, this bit of road kind of lure you into a false sense of speed, and you can come around here and then you go, oh, it's give way. So if you don't know this bit, it can catch you out. Still got that quick shift vibe going on. Well done to the guys that won the competition, and thanks for taking part to everyone else. We did give you all a bit of a shout out. Come on. Well, I tell you what, I think that's used up way more fuel. Oh, hey, you know when you get to a place but you know you don't like filling up at that certain station? Yeah, I've got that. I don't want to fill up at this certain station because it's out of the way. And now I'm going to have to. Yeah, so 85 miles on a tank. 85 miles on like £15. So I suppose at least it ain't running lean if it's using that much. Fair enough. Fair enough. Right, well, we're gonna have to get some fuel, have a stop off and a bottle of pop, and then see if there's anyone there I know who I can talk to, so I'll find someone to ride home with. Hopefully you've enjoyed coming for a little solo ride with me. I suppose my final thought is that, yeah, get it mapped. If you get yourself a quick shifter, use one of the downloadable maps and get yourself running smooth until you can get to a dyno, which is something that is supposed to happen. It just got put off and we had a heat wave and I was like, I want to get out on the bike definitely, so let's try the map on it. Can't do no harm, or maybe it can. So we're going to have a little trip through Lincoln town, although it is a city because of that, the beast of a cathedral up there. I very rarely go for a ride on my own. Like, I could probably count on my hands how many times in my whole life I've gone for a ride on my own. Mainly because if you end up in a ditch, there's no one there to see you going in the ditch. And I always like to think someone will be there to be my ditch finder. But yeah, it's quite good tonight. Don't know if it's because of how hot everything was. You kind of got more confidence knowing that you got loads of grip, so you just kind of go for it a bit, I don't know. But yeah, it was quite fun. It really is dead tonight. Really, really dead. Come on, change for my baby. Oh, every single light. Mr. Red Light tonight. Why? It's too hot to be sat at traffic lights with a 1200cc bike blowing fans of hot air towards you. A delightful ride on my own. So anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. I'm sure we'll both be in the video. And stay safe, everybody.